Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create an online portfolio in Wix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So creating an online portfolio in Wix is a straightforward process that involves choosing a template, adding the Wix Portfolio app and organizing your work into projects and collections and customizing the design. Simply sign up and choose a template and then add and set up the Wix Portfolio app. Once this is done, all you gotta do is simply organize your projects and collection. Go to Portfolio and add project. For each project, add a descriptive title, a description, and upload your media. After this, you can group your projects into collections to help visitors navigate your work. Customize your portfolio design accordingly and add essential pages and features. In this, you can simply create a page where visitors can learn about your background, skills, and creative philosophy. You can also add a contact form to make it easier for potential clients to reach you. Connect links to your professional social media accounts like LinkedIn and Instagram. And after the site is complete, connect a custom domain and publish the site to go live. You can also use Wix built-in marketing tools to promote the portfolio on social media. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.